Anybody who's investing for impact, they have to know what's the impact they're trying to create.
The Systems-Based Investing Field Lab is an opportunity for a wide range of individuals who are interested in mobilizing capital to advance transformation of systems to come together and see what that might look like on the ground.
Field labs like this give you an opportunity to shift and to open your mind and your thought process and to really talk to people who are what we would call boots on the ground doing the work.
If somebody is an ag tech or regenerative food investor, but they're not actually interacting with regenerative farmers and regenerative food systems, it's going to be really hard to gauge whether any given company or technology or innovation could be successful, could be impactful, or is even necessary. Without actually having a knowledge edge, I think it's a futile endeavor.
I think it's important to continuously understand what people are working on in different regions and how they could possibly work together or they can draw learnings from each other. And I think that it's most rich when it's happening in person, real life, in the field scenario.
The systems are so complex that it really takes a diversity of individuals and institutions who are really looking at the same system, but often from very different perspectives. And it's that collection of perspectives that really allows action and impact.
While participants are at the field lab, I would hope that they would feel excited, challenged, maybe a little overwhelmed with the complexity of the changes that we need to affect on the planet. And in the end, come away with the sense that there are lots of different people and resources that can be brought together to achieve the change that we all want to see in the world.
I think it must be very hard to see, to visualize what it is you're thinking about funding. And I think that these kinds of field labs brings the two ends together. It's a bridge where people who may not have ground level experience in farming, just to walk the land can touch you emotionally if you're already interested in that particular area. If you're at a dairy farm, hey, try your hand at milking a cow. If you're talking about making that connection, you ought to go put your hands on a teat, right?
I think it's a wonderful proposition, experiment, pilot, bringing the diversity of voices. We need to stand in the world of possibility, beauty, and potential to make change happen.